Yay, look at this, guys. My Oppo apple gourd have fruits. Only one fruits for the other variety. Ayan. Pwede na ito siyang gulayin. This seeds is come from Brazil. Rosigno. Thank you for your Oppo. Ayan. Ipuin na daw natin. Pwede na itong I have no scissors. Later I come back this one. Oh, so beautiful indeed. And the other kind here is, look at, there's flowers, lots of flowers. The other kind of bottle gourd or Oppo. Ayan. The other kind, there were two kinds. Ayan. This one is cute and beautiful. Look, guys. Ayan. Oh, so yummy. Okay, I will harvest tonight. Thanks for watching, guys. Love, Nancy. So thankful and ever grateful. Kahit paano, may bunga na siya. Beautiful. And the other one. Ayan. Sending hugs to all. Mwah.